So for the last part of this, when we go to do our testing, one of the things that we have to do is we have to come up to our image target and we have to make sure that we've got our playlist script that's actually turned on it, and we want to make sure that all these pieces are populated. So for the video, you're going to take your plane right here and you're going to pull that over and put it on top of this because that's where your videos are going to be. And then you want to take your different pieces that are down here. So take the playlist and in the same order that the playlist is on the article thing right here, what you want to do is you want to take that playlist and you want to make sure that you put your pieces in the same order that you've got there. So for this top one, you're going to take over and you're going to put Elvis, and then you're going to put in Ben Folds, and then you're going to put in your Talk to Me one right here, and then you're going to put in your Anderson East and your Beyonce and the Like Real People Do, and then your Marilyn Manson. And then we have to click on the button. So for the button down here where it's got this on click, what you're going to do is you're going to click the plus sign, and then right here where it says the runtime only, and then it says none object, what you're going to do is take your image target and bring it over here, because your image target is the thing that has the script on it. So you're going to come down to your playlist script down here, and you're going to go to where it says play video. Now for the first one, it asks what video do you want, and each one of the videos, even though it doesn't have a number down on the bottom when you're looking at it in the asset piece, it does have a number when we are looking in here at the number that goes along with this. So you see that element 0 is Elvis Presley. So what we're going to do is come back to our button here, and we're going to pass in 0. Then on the button 1, you're going to bring over your image target, and you're going to go here, you're going to go down to the playlist, you're going to say the play video, and you're going to pass in the number 1. And you're going to do this for each one of the buttons that goes along with your video playlist right here. And then for your stop button, we're going to do the same thing, where we're going to bring over our image target, but instead of calling the playlist play video, we're going to call this one that says stop video. And when we do that and we hit the play button, what should happen is that the piece should come up where we've got our playlist that'll come up. And then when we click on the button here, it'll load up the videos and the music that we want. You can click on where it says the luckiest and it'll bring it up. And when you click on stop, it'll make the videos go away. You click on the video again and it'll bring it back. Same sort of thing. You click on the piece there. Now, if you notice, our videos were rotated the wrong way. And so what we want to do is we want to take this and we want to rotate it around on the y-axis. So we're going to take this and we're going to change it by 90. And then we have to change our dimensions for our video, because now our video is in a little bit different space. So we're going to take this, we're going to make it 0.07, and we're going to make the Z, which is your blue one, 0.05. And now when we go ahead and we hit the play button again, you'll see that when we have this and we make it come up and you click on the Can't Help Falling, we've got our video. Our video is in the right orientation. We can click on where it says the luckiest. We can click on the stop and it'll make it stop. And each one of these pieces is going to be something that as you add in more buttons, we'll be able to have be a thing. So if we take this button right here and we duplicate that one, and we move it down just a little bit, remember that you can go to your text, you can change what this is right here. So like talk to me. And then when we click on the button piece right here, we go down, and now instead of it being 1, we change this and we make it 2. And that'll line up with the number 2 right here. So we hit the play button again. And now we've got this additional button, and when we click on that one, it'll play the Talk to Me video. And in this way, you can make a playlist of videos and music and things like that. And you'd go through the same exact steps if you were going to make a photo gallery, or if you were going to make some other interactive element where you wanted buttons that would switch out what your content was, especially if that content can be on a single plane. So that's how you do this whole piece. And what we want to do is we want to create that entire playlist and make it something that we would be able to have be a part of the application.